Welcome to the current issue about how to heal yourself, how to stay healthy in midst of crisis worldwide. Here, currently out of Bali. My name is I Ilona Selke, best-selling author internationally. I would like to invite you to make use of becoming a better human in the process of dealing with the crisis situation that we're facing right now. There are two things I want to share with you. One is the factual part. The other one is what we can do internally to become better beings. We can use any crisis as an opportunity to evolve. So how are we going to take this one as an opportunity to evolve? First of all, we do need to understand the human psychology. When faced with something dangerous or something we don't know, we do have ways of coping with it. One is fear-related response, safety behavior. The other one is aggression and anger, defense. Another one is denial and pretending that it's this, it's that, it's not this, it's everything but what it is. And so let's look at the facts for a moment. We're having to deal with a type of a disease that is rapidly spreading and taking 20% of the ones that are infected to a more severe state. The other 80%, which probably is you included in it, hardly notice, get some small symptoms. So the good news right up front is probably not that much to worry about yourself. Maybe about your elder parents, maybe about people you know who are compromised in their health, but most likely not you. And if you fall into the 20%, you can still take care of yourself. You just know what it is. The 20% just need more care. And that's the issue. Those that need more care need to be helped by the 80% that don't. If you and I go around not listening to the government to say stay home, then we spread more of the virus and more people get sick very quickly. But if we stay put, stay home, and do this globally, right now, 2/3, over, I think, 3 billion people are under lockdown on this planet right now. Globally, we are one big family staying at home. We're collectively helping all the doctors do their job well, all the nurses not to be overworked. Why are so many healthcare practitioners dying in the ages of 30s and 40s? Because they're overworked, because they're constantly demanded to make a choice, life or death, and they choose to help others and then thereby give up their life. So let's make their lives easy. We don't have enough beds in all of the hospitals, neither in any of the countries, neither in the well-to-do countries, especially not in the not so well-to-do areas of the world. So we need to work together globally to stop spreading the virus so quickly. It will be amongst us, we will get immune, we will get over it, but not all at once. So flatten the curve, they say, right? Instead of a rapid rise, we make it slow, so we have enough hospital beds because people stay there a little while. So then they can come out and more can come in, those that need it. The rest of us will get strong and immune. We can go back to work. We can help the whole world continue to survive. So that's the good news. That's the factual part. Now that's what we can do to evolve, is to cooperate, to not think of ourselves like, I'm tired of the same old walls. I want to be out. I want to see people. I want to hug people. I want to. Let's get off our ego parts, collaborate, work with people, and then take the opportunity to utilize the power of time that we have been given and demanded by the universe to slow down. And this is the work you can do at home. This is the work I want to invite you to do. I am offering free guided meditations for self-healing and for healing the planet. Because obviously, collectively, one way or the other, we all co-created this together. We can debate on whether it's an external force trying to dominate the world or shut everything down. Whatever it was, it's here happening to all of us. And now we can become better human beings by collaborating for the first time globally, all together. So all nations are in this together, affecting each other, and we cannot get well and then import diseases to the country that just got well. We all need to do it together. We will go through waves, so get prepared. It'll get worse, then better, then come back, and then get better. So psychologically knowing that we're dealing with a new virus, probably man-made. I mean, it's a man-made virus. And for some people, it's a weapon of war, yes. But we will get through it. We'll get used to it, and our system is strong. And the ones who are not so strong, will help them. That's getting to be a better human by collaborating, being considerate, being kind. Now, when you're at home and you have kids, family, and people around you, you didn't expect to be there all the time. That's when we need to know we need time alone. We need time out from the news. We need time to feel our soul. So once you've gotten clear on all the news, take time every single day. And I'm offering the guided meditations for free so you can go listen to your heart and soul. How would you be, and this is the power of living from vision, how would you be if you were already healthy, if you were as strong and immune as you wanted to be, in whatever area in your life that you're working on? Maybe you'd like to lose some weight. Maybe you'd like to have a better immune system. Maybe you'd like to overcome a current illness. You utilize your consciousness and your mind to pre-program the blueprint of your body, mind, and spirit. That's the second way of working and taking this opportunity to work on yourself to become a better human. You start listening to the higher forces. You open up the channel from your human self to your higher self, to your soul, to the divine. And then you start calling in guidance and the higher divine to help you. We should do this every day anyways, but we might as well do this now since we have some extra time on our hands. Slowly unhook from the news. You know what's going on. Every country is going to have more and more people getting infected, getting healthy, or dying. Let's help by staying cooperative. Make sure your friends and family are in the same boat. And all the people who have arguments about how it's a conspiracy, it's 5G, it's this or that, you can just say, you know what, those are separate issues. Let them be figured out later. We need to attend to this one. And you can do all your research. I've done plenty of research to satisfy my mind that what we have at hand is a virus, no matter how many people want to say there are no such things. From a higher perspective, there aren't, because you can work from a blueprint level. But on this dimension, it has an effect on the body. So if you strengthen it, sleep well, eat well, feel well, focus well, give yourself anti-stress treatments by going inside, being quiet, and doing whatever you can. We also offer a number of treatment methods on the mental etheric level through the quantum serving system that we have, and further down you will find information where you can do this for the first 4 sessions for free. And you can operate at an informational level to bring in health to yourself. So utilize this moment to make yourself a global citizen, collaborate, imagine all of us being in it together. I'm here in Bali, you're in wherever you are. And then join me in the free offers for the guided meditation. Take time for yourself and ask yourself when you talk to people, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Because a lot of times under stress, we say things we won't want to say later on. We regret. Then you don't have to say, I'm sorry. So might as well ask yourself every time, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? And acknowledge that you're under stress as well as other people, and calm yourself by meditating more often. Do 5 minutes, just breath observation if you want, or a little longer meditation with the meditations I'm offering. Below the link here, you'll see the rest. If you are watching this on YouTube, I will include the link to my free course. Just sign in, join, and it's all yours. You can feel free to share this link or this YouTube video with anybody who you think would like to turn this opportunity in a wellspring of getting in touch with their inner self. From Bali to you, Namaste, the new greeting, India 1, this is the way to go now. And I send my love to you. It's been a journey, it will be a journey, but we will get through it. And the valuable things you cannot buy with money will always be with you. And your ability to shine light and to love is all that it takes to evolve to a better human. Namaste.